Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by if this is your first time watching any of my videos, and thank you for returning if you have watched any of my previous videos. Currently it is 9:11 and I'm about to head out to work. I had a little bit of time, so I decided to film like the intro and outro for my next video, which is dropping on Monday. I do post every Monday. Now that school starts, I hope I can keep the consistency, but I have been like throughout this whole summer, every single Monday I have posted. And Monday is when school officially starts. I'm kind of nervous because we're going back in person after everything that's been going on with the pandemic and stuff. But I'm happy because it is my final year and I can't wait to be done with school. But on that note, I did decide to drop the little montage of clips that I filmed on this camcorder. I'm going to be wrapping up talking about this camcorder with this video. I don't think I'm going to make any more because I don't know how else I can milk this cow. But the first video I made about this camcorder is what helped my channel grow the most. It's where I have the most views, and it's helped boost my views a lot. And I'm really grateful. And I did an update video, 2-month update video on it, and that was okay. Not as great as the first video though. So I was like, let me drop this last video of this little montage that I'm gonna make, or have made actually. I was gonna just post it on my TikTok, but I was like, let me just drop it on YouTube because, you know, people want to know the quality of the camcorder. And you know, now there's a whole video I've made just with clips of the video, so I was like, I'm gonna just drop it here instead, so you can judge for yourself. If you're still wondering how the quality of the videos and stuff are, you just watch this video and judge for yourself. I really like this video. I think it's so cute and it brings back memories because I'm like, oh yeah, that one thing did happen like a month and a half ago, because I don't look through these. So I was looking through like the pictures on videos on here, and I was like, oh yeah, that was like such a cute moment and so funny and stuff like that. And obviously I didn't put everything I took in this video, just a few. And it has a lot of my friends that I hung out with and wherever we went and stuff we did. So I really like it. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm gonna roll the clip now.
Yago Yago Beats and